In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account in Pocket FM. Before we begin, there is one important thing you need to know, that this process can only be done through the Pocket FM mobile app. If you're using the web version, you will notice that you don't have the option to delete your account. You only have the option to either log out, edit your profile, or on the top corner, change the display language. So make sure you have the Pocket FM installed on your Android or iPhone. And then once you've done that, I want you to go to your profile icon, which can be found at the bottom part of the screen. If you click on it, you will notice that you have the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on it, and then you will see that you have the option to delete your account. If you click on it, what will happen is Pocket FM may ask you to confirm your decision or provide additional information before processing the request. Make sure you read any messages carefully, especially if the app warns you that deleting your account could permanently remove your account data, preferences, or other associated information. Of course, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm that you want to delete your Pocket FM account. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your Pocket FM account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.